Hello everyone. Today's code might seem like gibberish, but it's the secret sauce behind the chatbot that can actually understand how the user is feeling. And trust me, it's way too easy to understand. The code leverages the Vedar sentiment library to analyze the sentiment of the user by importing the sentiment intensity analyzer class. We have initialized the class inside the variable analyzer and then defined the classify emotion function, which serves as a classifier interpreting the sentiment score provided by Vedar to categorize the emotions. It examines the compound sentiment score along with the individual positive and negative score to assign emotions such as happiness, anger, sadness, surprise, or fear from the user input. So now comes the point how we are taking the user input. We have defined a function called chatbot emotions, which is nothing but a basic while loop which is running until the user type stops. And this user input is then given to the this module called polarity score, which fetches out the sentiment score of the user input text. This sentiment score is then given to the classify emotion function which we have defined above, and based on that sentiment score it prints how your the emotion is, so you expressed and the emotion which is coming here. So let's try this code. Let me write I am feeling excited. So here it fetched the emotion and printed you expressed happiness. Isn't it cool? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more Python fun. Thanks.